They're gonna go to the kitchen na kasi eating time. Eating time. Kitchen time. Kakain na daw sila. Ready to eat na? How about big boy? Apuling? Apuling? Where's Apuling going? Where's Apuling going? Ha? Where's Apuling going? And Cherry. Hi, Apuling! It's apple, apple. Hi, big boy! Hello, big boy! There ka lang muna. Big boy! Big boy! So, ayan sila. Nag-aantay na ng food. Lunsky! Come here, Luna girl! Luna! Luna! Come here. And then we have more rescues here in the back. Shelbs! Hi, Fions! And Shelby! Tinatali muna siya kasi nang-aaway. Come here. Come here, Maxi. Diwali. Magsi-CR ka? Yes, kumpuling. What do you wanna say? Crying na naman? Come here na. Hi, Shelby Shelb. Let's go, kumpul. Kumpul. Hey. Kumpuling. Baba. Babs. Are you gonna pee? So, again, we're gonna have the free spay and neuter this weekend here in Bacolod. We can only accommodate 100, so this is actually gonna be the biggest number na free kapon. Ayan sila, waiting na for dinner. Hi, Milo girls. Big boy. Let's Fiesta and Nala. So the Ayala babies are still together. Hi, Fiesta. Hi, Fiesta. Pretty girl.
Pretty boy.
Ah, pretty boy. Oh, my
Boy.
pretty boy. Where's Casey? Ayan, ang Casey girl. Sa kitchen. Apuling, come here. Follow me first. Later ka na there. Ha? Then. Ah, sige. Apuling, let's give you a color. Come here. Come here, Apuling. Ay, what are you doing there? Si Aya ang ano talaga. Bibo kid. Who's the Bibo kid? Who's Bibo kid? Aya. And Kumpul. Hello, Bobby. Yes, Aya. Let's give color to Apuling. Let's give color to Apple. Apple, Apple, come here. I'll give you color. Come here. I'll give color to our Apple. May color that Marky na small for Apple. Let's go now. Let's give you color. Oh, come here. Come with me. I'll give color to Apple. Here. Give color to Apple. Stay here, oh. We'll give color to Apple. Wait lang. Okay. Color for Apple. I see.
Wow.
Wow, Apple. Apple has a color. Here. Go, Appuling. Show them, Cutie Pie, your color. Come here, Appuling. Maxi, love Apple, ha? Love, love, baby Apple, ha? Hi, Bob. Say hi, Baba. Say hi, Baba. Model ka, girl.